What is acidity and how is it different from or related to salinity? Does acidity specifically refer to the excess of sodium ions in the soil exchange complex, and what are its unique impacts on soil physical properties like structure, permeability, and aeration? Why are salinization and acidity described as the two main phenomena responsible for soil deterioration? How do they act separately or together to impair soil functions, reduce plant productivity, and degrade land over time? Can Davis Zurns manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? What specific stress does soil salinity impose on plants? Does it affect osmotic potential, hinder nutrient uptake, or disrupt metabolic processes such as photosynthesis and protein synthesis? And how do different plant species respond to or tolerate salt stress? What are the visible symptoms of salinity stress in plants? Do they include stunted growth, leaf burn, chlorosis, wilting, or reduced flowering and fruiting? And how can these be used to identify early signs of degradation? How does soil salinity harm ecosystem services? Does it reduce biodiversity, disrupt nutrient cycling, diminish soil microbial health, or impair water regulation? And how do these effects impact both natural and human-managed ecosystems? What are the economic consequences of salinization in terms of crop yields? How significant are the yield reductions across different crop types? What are the estimated global losses? And how does this affect agricultural income and food availability in saline-prone regions? What is regressive death caused by acidity, and how does it differ from death due to salinity? Does acidity more directly affect plant vascular tissues, stem integrity, or root function? And how does it lead to slow or irreversible decline in even salt-tolerant species? Why is it crucial to identify the origin of acidity in cultivated areas? How can understanding the source, whether geogenic or anthropogenic, inform management strategies to prevent or remediate soil damage? And what methods are available for tracing acidity in soils? How can soil testing, hydrogeochemical analysis, mineralogical profiling, and field observations be used to detect and distinguish between acidity and salinity? And how often should these assessments be carried out in vulnerable agricultural zones?